Test ko yan. Okay, ha? Start na ba yan? Okay. Okay, ha? RJ. Test ko si RJ, ha? Ha? There's a camera, ha? So, you need to be patient and obey. Listen to mama, patient and obey. Ha? Okay? Don't touch ng candy, don't smell, don't eat. When mama is come back, you eat na, ha? I go to the CR muna, ha? Mama will pupo, ha? Okay? Ha? Ano? Okay?
Eat until mama's come back.
Don't eat, ha?
Huh?
When mama's come back, you will eat na, ha? You can eat na, ha? Ng candy. Okay? Okay. Mama will go to the CR, ha? Okay. Just wait for mama, ha? Mama will pupo. Don't eat. Okay? Okay? When mama's come back, you will eat na ng candy. Okay? I give you one candy pa. When you patient and obey, ha? Okay? You eat 3 candy na, ha? Pag nag-obey ka kay mama, saka naging patient ka, okay? Okay. Don't eat, ha? When mama's come back, you will eat na. Okay. Mama will pupo.
Wait, mama. Wait, mama.
Wow!
Ang galing.
Naging patient. Wow! Oh, sige na, eat mo na. Eat mo na. Eat na. Yay! Naging patient si RJ. Eat na. Yeah. Ilang minuto ba yun?
Wala po isang minuto.
Wala pa po isang
2 minuto siguro. Isang minuto.
Ha?
Mga 2 minuto.
Hindi mo inano?
Kaya mo sabihin niyo. Yan eh.
Ano ginagawa na niya?
Yan mo. Nakatula.
Oh, ang galing naman.
Pinapakinggan yung sound mo sa
Siya.
CR.
Eat na. Okay na.
Galing.
Saan nga natin kipapang mo yan? Dapat